Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove or replace drive shaft on Lincoln MKX or Ford Edge. Okay guys, the first generation will cover both cars because they share the same platform, the suspension is the same, drivetrain is the same, so you can see how long the drive shaft on that thing is. Okay, so that's what we'll be doing now. This is for the all-wheel drive. Front wheel drive will not have that, so let's go ahead and show you how to remove it now and replace it as well. So we have this side jacked up already on jack stands. Okay, you can see, and it's really convenient if you have all four tires in the air. That way you can turn the drive shaft and reach all the bolts. You need 4 jack stands. Everything has to be super safe, secure always. So always double check everything before you go under the car, because if it falls it can kill you. Now I'm going to go through this side here, and we're going to go underneath and show you what needs to be done. So we're under the car now with 13mm socket. We're going to go towards the front, okay, of the drive shaft there, and we're going to remove 4 bolts with 13mm socket. We already got ours loose, so we can use the little impact and just show you quick what to do. Okay, every time you reinstall those, you have to apply thread locker. Okay, perfect. Pull it out and drop it down. Okay, just like that. Okay, it's good. Perfect. Check out, the front end of the drive shaft came out. Now we need to come towards the back side. Okay, this is the back of the drive shaft there, and with the 13mm there is 4 more bolts. The top one, we already got it loose, so we don't waste your time watching us how to do that. Okay, perfect. Now let's get the top one out. It's loose, but we didn't get it out yet. Okay, right there. Now working on the last one. All the tools and parts that we use in the video guys will be listed in the description of the video below. Please subscribe to the channel, we will have more than 200 videos on this car. Now if that one is stuck, there is a place where you can place a screwdriver and pry it open a little bit. Let me just get one and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, there is 2 spots, 2 holes where you can pry with a screwdriver, okay, and pull it down. Now we have 4 more nuts holding the drive shaft, okay, towards the body. Okay, let me get a little bit of light so you can see better. Okay, perfect. Okay, you can see this nut here. There is one on the other side. Okay, over there. Those are with 15mm, and there is 2. Okay, one here and one it's under the exhaust. Okay, let me just get the camera in here. Okay, you can see this nut. So you can reach this nut, but what you have to do, you have to pull the exhaust a little bit, okay, this way, to the right of the vehicle, and you'll be able to pull them out. Okay, so this one, we already got it loose. You might need extension, it's easier. And just pull the exhaust, okay, like that. Okay, and pull the bushing out with a washer. Sometimes the washer will come off the bushing. Okay, perfect. This is the bushing right there. Let's do that to the other side now there. Now, you have to hold that drive shaft because it can fall on you and hurt you. It's heavy. Okay, so we have a second person to hold it underneath. Perfect. Now 2 more and it's going to drop. Okay, you can see it already dropped. Bushing came down. Perfect. Okay, now hold it good because it's going to come down. And after that, all we have to do, okay, get it out from under the vehicle. Okay, and you can see, guys, this is your drive shaft with the bearings. Now, if you need to replace the bearings, you have to take all that apart. We'll have a video probably on the channel how to do that. Check it out as well. So hopefully, guys, that will be a helpful video if you're trying to replace a drive shaft because of bad bearings or bad bearings. So thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget that I will have more than 200 videos on that car, and see you guys next time.